Ever dreamed of waking up in Bali, sipping coffee in Paris, or hiking through the mountains of Peru while your bank account keeps growing? Well, you're not alone, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money while traveling the world. No fluff, just real strategies that actually work. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your passport into your paycheck. Let's go. 1. Freelance your skills. First up, freelancing. If you can write, design, code, or even do voiceovers, congrats, you have a skill that pays anywhere on the planet. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to work from your laptop at a beach cafe in Thailand or a co-working space in Lisbon. And the best part, your income grows with your experience. Quick tip: start with a strong portfolio, offer competitive prices, and build client trust. Over time, clients will chase you, not the other way around. 2. Remote work. Next, let's talk about remote jobs. We're living in the remote revolution. Companies like Google, Shopify, and even smaller startups are hiring people to work from anywhere. Whether it's customer support, project management, marketing, or software development, you can have a 9-to-5 job while traveling across Europe or South America. Pro tip: check out websites like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and RemoteOK to find legit opportunities. 3. Content creation. Now, if you love storytelling, photography, or video editing, welcome to the world of content creation. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or blogging, you can turn your travel journey into cash. Brands are willing to pay for exposure, affiliate sales bring in passive income, and your audience becomes your biggest asset. Real example: many digital nomads make $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month just from sponsored content, ads, or selling their own digital products. 4. Teach or coach online. Are you good at something others want to learn? Teach English, coach people on business or fitness, or sell courses on platforms like Teachable or Skillshare. If you're an expert at anything, baking, yoga, marketing, someone out there wants your knowledge. Quick idea: start with Zoom classes or one-on-one coaching calls, then turn it into a digital course for passive income. 5. E-commerce and dropshipping. Ever heard of making money while you sleep? That's e-commerce and dropshipping. Set up an online store with Shopify or Etsy and sell physical or digital products. You don't even need to hold inventory. Dropshipping lets your supplier ship directly to customers. Bonus tip: use tools like Overlook or Printful to automate the process while you travel the world. 6. Work exchange and travel jobs. Sites like Workaway, Worldpackers, or WWOOF connect travelers with hosts who need help in hostels, farms, or local businesses. Real talk: you may not get rich, but this lets you extend your travels and live experiences money can't buy. 7. Affiliate marketing. This one's all about leveraging your content or audience. Promote other people's products using a link and earn a commission for every sale. Use affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact, or ClickBank. It's how many travel bloggers make money promoting backpacks, gadgets, courses, or even hotels. Example: link a hotel you stayed at in your travel vlog and get paid when your viewers book through your link. The world is changing, and now you don't have to choose between work and travel. You can have both. So which method are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments.